Class 6th English Packed with the Sun. Lesson 1 Tale of Two Birds. Story and question and answers. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in the forest. They had a nest in tall, shady, and their mother took care of her little ones day and night. One day, there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The others landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. He rode for a long time till he came to other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out,
"Quick! Hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he will slip away."
The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on to his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to clearing which looked like an ashram. It was a rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice announce,
"Welcome to the ashram. Sir, please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable."
The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed.
"This one looks like the other bird outside the cave."
He said to himself loudly,
"You are right, sir,"
answered the bird.
"He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He does not talk to me anymore."
Just then, the rishi entered the ashram.
"Welcome, sir.
He said to the king,
Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food."
The king told this rishi the story of two birds and how each have behaved so differently through they looked so alike.
The forest is full of surprises.
The holy man smiled and said,
After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard.
He welcomes people to the ashram.
Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds.
Questions. First question, how did the two baby birds get separated? Answer, the strong wind blew the baby birds away to the other side of the forest. Second question, where did each of them find a home? Answer. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Question 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer. Quick, hurry up. There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he will slip away. Question 4. What did the second bird say to him? Answer. Welcome to the ashram. Sir, please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable. Question 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? Answer. After all, one is known by the company. One keeps that the bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talk about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. Sixth question. Which one of the following sums up the story best? Option 1. A bird in a hand is word 2 in a bush. Option 2. One is known by the company one keeps. Option 3. A friend is need in a friend in need. Answer. One is known by the company one keeps.